science and technology news in simple words for you. Hello everyone, I welcome you to the Breaking Science channel. Link to this research in the comments to the video. So, some scientists at the University of Toronto have come up with a pretty cool idea to help buildings use less energy for things like heating, cooling, and lighting. You see, buildings use up a lot of energy, and this contributes to greenhouse gas emissions and climate change. But the scientists have found a way to use liquid windows to make buildings more efficient. Basically, a liquid window is a type of window that can control the amount and type of light that comes through it. So, in the winter, you might want to let in some heat along with the light to warm up the building, but in the summer, you'd only want the light and not the heat. Regular windows can't really do that, but liquid windows can. The way it works is pretty cool. The scientists created a sheet of plastic with lots of tiny channels in it. They can pump different fluids through the channels to control what kind of light gets through the window. They can also control how the light gets scattered and directed, which is important for things like evenly lighting a room or blocking glare. They can even use different layers of these sheets to create different effects. For example, one layer might control the intensity of the light, while another layer controls the color of the light. By using special computer programs to control which layers are active and how much fluid is flowing through them, they can make the window act like a smart window that responds to the changing conditions outside. Now, you might be wondering how this all helps with energy efficiency. Well, if a building has liquid windows installed, it can use less energy for things like heating and cooling because the windows are doing some of the work. If the windows are letting in the right amount of heat and light, then the building won't need to use as much energy to keep the temperature comfortable. And that means less greenhouse gas emissions. The scientists did some simulations to see just how much energy savings liquid windows could provide. And guess what? They found that by using a window that just controls the amount of near-infrared light coming through, they could save 25% on energy costs compared to a regular window. And if they used a window that controlled both near-infrared and visible light, they could save up to 50%. That's pretty significant. The researchers are also excited about the potential for using artificial intelligence to control the windows. They could program the windows to respond to the changing seasons and weather conditions, which would make them even more energy efficient. And they're working on scaling up the technology so that it could be used for whole buildings. So there you have it, liquid windows are a pretty cool idea that could help us save energy and fight climate change. Who knew a little bit of fluid could make such a big difference? Thank you very much for watching. Support the channel with a like and share the news with your friends. See you soon.